Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the annoying League of Legends error that says there was an unexpected error with the login session. So this is a common problem that can stop you from even getting into the login screen. But the good news is that the fix is usually pretty simple, and we'll go through a few solutions from a quick reset to some network commands. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. The most common cause of this error is a stuck login session from a previous attempt. The first thing we need to do is make sure everything related to League of Legends and the Riot client is completely closed. So what you do is, first, if the Riot client window is still open, press Alt plus F4 on your keyboard to completely close the client. Then, right-click on your Start menu, then go to Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, simply search for Riot Client, or League of Legends, or anything related to League of Legends. If you find anything, just simply click on it, then click on End Task to completely shut that task down. And now once you've closed all the tasks, just simply try relaunching the League client and see if the issue is fixed or not. Now, if you're still getting the error, it might be a network issue. We can try changing your computer's DNS server to Google's public DNS, which is often faster and more reliable. So what you do is go to your Windows search bar, then search for View Network Connections. Then open View Network Connections. Now, just simply look for Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whichever way you're using to access the internet. Then right-click on it, then click on Properties. Now, in the Properties panel, just simply double-click on IPv4, and inside the IPv4 settings, just simply choose Use the following DNS server addresses. And in the DNS address fields, simply type in the top part 8.8.8.8, and for the bottom part, type 8.8.4.4. Now just simply click on OK and close the window, and try launching the game again. Now, if the problem still isn't solved, there's one last powerful fix we can try. This involves running a couple of commands to reset your network settings and clear out old data. So what you have to do is just open your Windows search bar, and then type CMD, then run the program as an administrator. Now, all you do is just simply run a simple command, which is ipconfig/flushdns. Now hit Enter. Now, after the command is finished, type the second command, which is netsh winsock reset, and then again press Enter. Now, once both commands have been successfully executed, you must restart your computer. And this final step is crucial for the changes to take effect. So after your PC reboots, the login session error should be completely resolved. Now you can get back to your game and start playing. So that's it. Now you know a full set of solutions to fix the simple problem that you are having with the login screen of League of Legends. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.